So many of you will know me from my car videos, especially my Citroen Ami channel. And I bought a Citroen Ami, and you probably know it's a little electric car, 28 mile an hour, 45 mile range, and it basically has a worse than a hairdryer heater inside. So I got a Webasto heater for it, which they cost £1,250. I got a leisure battery, which was £660, a shunt so that it would charge off the traction battery and keep the leisure battery charged up, and then had it fitted, which was another £800. Basically, it cost me £2,860 to have this heater fitted, and it's fantastic. And then Gokozy sent me this, £2,860 later, so as I could keep warm in my Citroen Ami and drive it in the winter. I mean, why they couldn't send it me before? Oops. I'd spent that money, I don't know, but they didn't. So here we go. This is a waistcoat. It has its own battery, which you can even charge your phone from. So there's two USB ports, a USB-C, little USB lead in there, plug that in like so, tuck it in the pocket, zip it up, put it on, again I've got a hoodie on here because it's nice and sunny, but it's cold. So once it's zipped up, we've got two switches on here, both switched on. It's got heating pads in the front here, heating pads in the back, and one in the collar. When you're in the car, you only need the ones in the front on, to be fair. Just the front ones keep you warm, and just the actual waistcoat. You can also regulate the temperature by just clicking the buttons. There's white, blue and red, I think. So for a gross saving of about whatever, I could have just had this. What can I say? Gokozy, better late than never. Thank you. I can thoroughly recommend it. Thanks for sending it me. Thanks for watching. I'll put a link in the description too. They are absolutely fantastic. If you're going out walking, anything like that, any outdoor activity, it's absolutely fantastic. And you only have to switch it on as and when it gets too cold, because this is pretty good at keeping you warm too. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.